Good morning, students. In the previous class, we had learned three types of simple present tense. They are simple present, present continuous, and present perfect tense. Today, in continuity, we shall learn about simple past. Let us see what is simple past. A verb in the simple past tense tells us about an action that has already happened in the past time. In simple present, you learned the action was taking place currently, whereas in simple past, the action has already taken place in the past. Now, let us look at some examples so that you will have a clear understanding about simple past tense. The first one is the boy played in the evening. What is the present form of played? Play. P-L-A-Y. Play is the present form. Played is the past form. And the action already took place in the evening. That is why we write the boy played in the evening. Next we can have the example Jaya sang a song yesterday. So when did this action take place? The action took place yesterday. What is the present form of sang? Sing. And the past form is sang. Sing, sang. So we write simple past form. Jaya sang a song yesterday. Have you understood, children? So this way we can see one more example, that is the teacher wrote a letter last week. This action took place last week. So what is the verb here? Wrote. Wrote is the verb. The present form of wrote is write. Write is the present form. Wrote is the past form. So we write the teacher wrote a letter last week. This is in simple past. Is it clear, children? The simple past tense of verbs can be written in different ways. Let us see which are the different ways we form present into past tense. First one, by adding a T to the end of the verb. There are few words given to you. Dream. Dream, when you add T at the end of the letter, it becomes dreamt. Weep. Weep becomes wept. Sleep becomes slept. So dream, dreamt, weep, wept, sleep, slept. So in this way you can add T to the present form. The second method is by adding ed at the end of the verbs. There are some words given to you. March, marched, enjoy, enjoyed, crawl, crawled. Similarly, you will find many words when you do the exercise. Different examples you will find in normal life, that is laugh. Laugh becomes laughed. The last method is by changing the verb form. For example, eat, ate, see, saw, wear, wore, speak, spoke. Here we do not add T or ed at the end of the verbs. Instead, we change the form of the verb completely. Children, you should always remember these three ways. Now, let's start with some exercise. First one, change these sentences into simple past. First question, Uday helps Mukul with the homework. Second one, Sarita reads magazines in the afternoon. The first question, which is the verb? Helps is the verb. That is in simple present. And we have changed simple present into simple past. So the answer is Uday helped Mukul with the homework. Sarita reads. The verb is reads. So reads changed into read. That is Sarita read magazines in the afternoon. I had already taught you while doing the three forms of the verbs. That is, when you change certain words to past tense, the spelling remains the same. That is why read, read, read. So Sarita read magazines in the afternoon. In the next exercise, some verbs are given in a box. They are in simple present form. You have to choose the suitable verb according to the sentence. Then change into past tense. The first question, the man dashed the bus carefully in the rain. And you have to choose the most suitable verb from the box. That is drive. Drive is in present form. You have to change drive into past. That is drove. The man drove the bus carefully in the rain. Second question, the child dashed a paper plane. So which will be the suitable verb in the box? Fly is the verb. So fly, past form, flew. So the answer is the child flew a paper plane. Okay children? The next exercise, the cat dashed the milk from the saucer. So what can be the suitable verb? Drink. Drink is in present form. And what is the past form of drink? Drank. So the answer is the cat drank the milk from the saucer. The third exercise is based on make sentences. So you try to form your own sentences. The rest of the answers I will send along with the video. Thank you children.